Are you looking for a side hustle or a new business idea? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll explore 6 different ways to earn money and provide tips on how to get started. Whether you're looking for a full-time gig or just a part-time side hustle, these ideas can help you earn some extra cash from the comfort of your own home. So, let's dive in. 1. Sell your art and photography. Art and photography are excellent ways to express oneself creatively. However, selling these works can also be an excellent way to make some extra money. There are numerous platforms where you can showcase your artwork and photography, including social media platforms such as Instagram and Facebook, as well as online art marketplaces such as Saatchi Art and Artsy. When selling your art, it's essential to showcase your talent and unique style to attract potential buyers. One tip for selling your artwork is to take advantage of social media marketing. Use platforms like Instagram and Facebook to post pictures of your artwork and engage with potential buyers. Social media is also an excellent way to build a following and generate buzz around your work. Another way to make money with your artwork is by creating designs that can double as a logo for a new company. Many new businesses are looking for unique logos to represent their brand, and they may be willing to pay for your artwork. If you decide to go this route, make sure you have the necessary licenses and agreements in place to ensure that you receive proper credit and compensation for your work. Lastly, don't forget to ask your customers for reviews. Reviews are an essential part of expanding your online presence and generating more business. Positive reviews can lead to more sales, and they can help you build a reputation as a talented artist or photographer. 2. Start investing. Investing in the stock market can be a profitable way to make money online. While the stock market can be intimidating, there are many resources available to help beginners get started. Many brokerage platforms have no minimum balance requirements, making it accessible to people who don't have a lot of money to invest. However, before you start investing, it's essential to take some time to educate yourself. Never trust anyone who promises that they know what the market is going to do. Instead, take a few classes, watch videos, or read books to learn more about the stock market. Diversify your investments and consider investing in an industry you know well. By doing so, you'll be better equipped to understand the potential risks and rewards. 3. Become an influencer. Social media has created a new career path for people who have a large following on platforms such as Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. These individuals are known as influencers, and they have the power to persuade potential buyers of a product or service by promoting or recommending items on social media. To become an influencer, you need to showcase your strengths and build your audience. This can be done by creating engaging content that resonates with your target audience. If you become popular, you might get the opportunity to represent specific brands and make money by promoting their products. 4. Write and publish an ebook. One of the most popular ways to make money online is by writing and publishing an ebook. An ebook is a digital book that can be read on a computer or mobile device. Ebooks are becoming increasingly popular because they are easy to create and distribute, and they can be sold for a low price. In fact, many ebooks are priced under $10, which makes them affordable for most people. If you have some knowledge on a specific topic, you can write an ebook about it and sell it online. The key is to write about a topic that is relevant to your blog or newsletter list. This will increase your chances of making a sale, since your audience comes to your blog because of your topic or niche. When it comes to writing an ebook, there are several steps that you need to take. The first step is to choose a topic. This should be something that you are passionate about and have some knowledge on. The next step is to research your topic and gather information. You can use online resources, books, and articles to gather information. Once you have gathered all the necessary information, you can start writing your ebook. There are several software programs that you can use to create an ebook. These include Microsoft Word, Adobe InDesign, and Scrivener. You can also hire a freelancer to design the layout and cover of your ebook. After you have finished writing your ebook, you need to publish it. You can publish your ebook on Amazon Kindle, Barnes and Noble Nook, and Apple iBooks. These platforms make it easy to publish your ebook and start selling it. You can also sell your ebook on your own website or blog. One of the advantages of writing and publishing an ebook is that you can earn passive income. Once you have published your ebook, you can sit back and watch the sales roll in. You don't have to worry about shipping or handling, and you can earn money while you sleep. 5. Start a dropshipping business. Another way to make money online is by starting a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is a simple and profitable business model. With dropshipping, you find suppliers online who will sell you products wholesale. You then mark up the products and sell them for a profit. The supplier handles the shipping and handling of the products, so you don't have to worry about inventory or shipping. There are thousands of suppliers who can provide you with your inventory. You can sell anything from computers to healthy food. The key is to find a niche that you are passionate about and that has a high demand. To start a dropshipping business, you will need to create an e-commerce storefront. There are several platforms that you can use to create an e-commerce storefront, including Shopify, Amazon, and Magento. These platforms make it easy to create a professional-looking storefront and start selling your products. One of the advantages of dropshipping is that you don't have to invest a lot of money up front. You only need to pay for the products that you sell, so you can start with a small investment and focus on marketing your business without bothering about shipping your product. 6. Become an online translator. Becoming an online translator is a great way to make money if you are fluent in a second language. There are different types of translation projects available, ranging from conversational translation to document translation. Depending on the type of translation work you want to do, you may need to take certain exams or earn certifications. Remote conversational translation involves serving as a translator in a conversation between two parties who speak different languages. This type of translation typically requires good listening skills and quick thinking to accurately translate the conversation in real time. Remote conversational translators can find work in a variety of settings, including business meetings, conferences, and even social events. Document translation involves translating written documents from one language to another. This type of translation is often used for legal documents, technical manuals, and websites. It requires a high level of attention to detail and accuracy, as even minor mistakes in translation can have significant consequences. To work as a document translator, you may need to earn a certification or take an exam, depending on the language and industry you are working in. There are many benefits to becoming an online translator. One of the biggest advantages is the flexibility it offers. You can work from anywhere in the world as long as you have a reliable internet connection. Online translation work also tends to pay well, especially if you specialize in a particular language or industry. To become an online translator, you will need to be fluent in at least 2 languages. It's important to have a deep understanding of the grammar, vocabulary, and cultural nuances of each language. This will help you accurately translate the meaning of the original text or conversation. You should also be familiar with translation software and tools, as these can make the translation process faster and more efficient. If you want to work as a document translator, you may need to earn a certification or take an exam. There are many different certification programs available, depending on the language and industry you want to work in. For example, the American Translators Association offers certification exams for translators in a variety of languages, including Spanish, French, and German. The International Association of Professional Translators and Interpreters also offers certification programs for translators in various languages and specialties. Before you start looking for online translation work, it's a good idea to build up your skills and experience. When it comes to finding online translation work, there are many different options available. You can search for job listings on freelance websites, such as Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. You can also reach out to translation agencies or companies that specialize in your language or industry. Networking with other translators can also help you find job opportunities, as other translators may be aware of job openings or be able to refer you to clients. You should respond to messages and job requests promptly, and deliver high-quality work on time. You should also communicate clearly with clients about your availability, rates, and any specific requirements you have for the job. By building a reputation as a reliable and skilled translator, you can increase your chances of finding new job opportunities and earning a steady income as an online translator. Making money online is pretty straightforward when you know what you're doing. With these 6 ways to make money online, you can start earning some extra cash from the comfort of your own home. Which one of these ideas appeals to you the most? Let us know in the comments below.